Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So, first thing we need to do is to turn off our watch. To do it, press and hold the light or control button to open the shortcut menu. Here you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the power off option and then press the GPS button and press it again to turn off the watch. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the back button and keep holding it. And while holding the back button, press and hold the control button or light button. You have control light button to turn on the watch. Once the watch turns off, or rather turns on, my bad, release the control button and keep holding the back button all the time. And keep holding it until you see the prompt on the screen. And once this prompt appears about the resetting to default settings, use the down button to scroll down, select yes, and then press the GPS button to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.